In this video, I'm going to show you how to apply a formula to an entire column in Excel using multiple methods. Let's open a document. Suppose you have to multiply the numbers from data 1 with data 2. Normally, what we do is we select a cell, type equals, select the first number cell, type the multiply sign, and select the other number cell. Now, this can work if we have very few calculations to do, but if we have a lot of numbers, then it will take a lot of time. Nowadays, what most people do is the first calculation normally, then drag that cell formula down. I agree that it is a time-saving option, but if you have a large number of cells such as mine, then the work can be a bit tiring. In this document, I have 150 cells to calculate. Dragging all of them can be a bit hazardous. In my opinion, the most efficient way to do this is by taking the cursor to the bottom right corner of the first calculation answer. When the plus icon turns smaller and all black, double-click on it. It will automatically calculate all of the cells below according to the first calculation. There is another way to do this. Select the answer of the first calculation. Copy the answer. On your keyboard, press Ctrl plus Shift plus End or down. It will select all the calculation cells below the first answer. Press Enter. It will calculate all of the selected cells below according to the first formula. Just like this, you can apply a formula to an entire column.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.